Yeah, I didn't know if I was going to continue to do videos like this one. But for a fan out there, hey Ryan, thanks for the encouragement. Thanks for respecting my grind. Yeah, we're going to talk about respecting somebody's grind. Matter of fact, we're going to talk about Mr. Justin Bieber. See, it appears that it's not just common folks and institutional investors who are investing in crypto and NFTs. We have celebrities out here that are investing in NFTs, and it just seems to me like people want to pick on some of them. Mr. Bieber, bought a Bored Ape. If you're familiar with the Bored Ape Yacht Club set of NFTs, he bought one back in January of this year, and everybody made a big brouhaha about this, hating on this guy. Okay, it's a young guy out here doing his thing, making his money, and just because he spends $1.3 million on what I guess they were saying was a $280,000 Bored Ape, he's gonna get criticized about it. Okay, I don't understand. I don't understand why certain people get picked on. Okay, Mr. Bieber can spend his money any way he freaking wants to. Okay, the guy's got $285 million plus dollars. If he wants to spend $1.3 million on a Bored Ape, he can do that. Okay, he can do what the hell he wants to do. Okay, he's put the time in, he's put the work in. Okay, we need to respect this brother's grind. Okay, respect the grind. He wants to spend $1.3 million on a Bored Ape, he can do that. Nobody said anything about Serena Williams when she bought a Bored Ape. Nobody said anything about Paris Hilton when she bought a Bored Ape. Nobody said anything about Eminem. Nobody said anything about Jimmy Fallon. Nobody said anything about Steve Curry. Why is it that when Justin Bieber buys a Bored Ape, it's a problem? Okay? I happen to think that perhaps he might be one of the smartest people out here that we know, and he's just investing in his future like so many other people need to. Maybe people need to take note of what these celebrities are investing in. Take a look at what Snoop Dogg is doing. Take a look at what Steve Curry is doing. Take a look at what Mr. Justin Bieber and Miss Serena Williams are doing. Okay? Don't knock them. Try to understand why they're doing what they're doing. Might be something to it. So with that, I just wanted to send a shout out to all those who love NFTs. I love NFTs, and maybe one day I'll be fortunate enough to get one of these Bored Apes. They're not anything that just strikes my fancy, but I think it's incredible that people who are artists now have a great opportunity to showcase their skill and get paid more than just pennies on the dollar. I remember when people used to make artwork for video games and they basically were begging for somebody to buy them. Now all of a sudden here comes the NFT realm, and now artists have a fighting chance to make a living. So my hat's off to those artists out there who stuck with it and are now embracing blockchain technology as a method of expressing their art. We need to encourage this, we need to love this, we need to build this thing up so that those people out there that are creators can follow their passions, okay? Follow their loves and be paid to do. You go on, Mr. Bieber, buy another Bored Ape if you want to. This is Crypto Big Boss, and I'm out.